YouTube? It's Michael's Rich Life, and I'm back again with another video. And today, guys, I got my beloved Rhino 2-head vending machine. I just got it today. I'm basically setting it up. You gotta take it apart, put it together. You have to wash it as well. So every time I get a new machine, I wash everything that I can wash, meaning I'm washing the globe, I'm washing the inside. I'm basically washing everything because if I put food in there, I want the machine to be sanitized. Barber school as well. So I use my connections to get my machine in there, and I did pretty swell. If you guys are interested in seeing that video of me collecting from this school, I need at least 25 likes on this video, and I will be dropping that video. So yeah, guys, I'm excited. And for me, I'm more of a business to business type of guy because if the owner or manager actually has a visual of who they're speaking to, I think it's just a better entry in. The phone is okay, but I think just going business to business, you probably get a better rate of having your vending machine aside of other business. So I think, guys, if you go from business to business, you're gonna have a better rate of getting your vending machine inside of the business versus calling. That is my opinion, but since I'm busier now with other things, I might have to be doing the calling and see how that plays out. But it's gonna be hard to do. I also was thinking about using a relocator, but I'm not for certain. If I want to be paying somebody $50 to basically do the job that I've been doing, for months now. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So before I end, I have a total of, let's see, I got a machine at the smoke shop. I got a machine at the Chinese restaurant. I got a machine at the barber school. Got a machine at the braiding a salon, paper spot. So that's 5 machines I have. I have one that's a 3 head, and I have one, as you can see, that's a 2 head, and the rest are 1 head. So yeah, guys, as you see, I assembled, I sanitized, clean this machine. I'm about to do the other one to the candy machine. And as you see, this one over here is a gumball machine. So as you see too, I'm looking at the red and blue states who gonna win and all of that. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share, subscribe, and your boy is out. Marathon Vending is signing out. Chill.